Imagine if you could get paid to share your knowledge, ideas, and skills online as a creator. Well, the good news is that you obviously can. This has become known over the years as the creator economy, and more people are taking advantage of this every single day. But the problem is that a lot of people get into this, they start making content, and then they're not making any money, and they're like, what the heck? When is this going to start happening? Why isn't this working? Or they think they need to have this massive audience or be a world-renowned expert in order to make money, but the truth is that you don't. Today, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can make an income, whether it's a side income or a full-time income as a creator. And by the way, the last 2 are by far the best to help you earn the most amount of money, even if you have a small audience. Let's dive in. Before we get into these 6 ways to make money as a creator, I want to share something with you. I created a 5-step action guide that walks you through step by step how to earn your first $500 per month in passive income. The bottom line is that you're going to understand the system to start making some passive income by sharing your ideas, your knowledge, your skills, your passions online, and turn that into a recurring, repeated revenue that works for you even if you're not working. Sound too good to be true? Give the guide a look and just try it out for yourself. It is an action guide, just so you know. So I'm not just giving you fluff, I'm giving you actual ways that you can do this. And I even break down the math of what earning $500 per month based on different products is actually going to look like for you. To get the guide, just go to profityourknowledge.com/guide. There's also a link down in the description. So let's get into these 6 ways to make money as a creator. First one being number 6, and then I'm going to work my way to number 1, which is the best in my opinion. So number 6 is AdSense. And this is what you get from YouTube content. So it doesn't truly apply to you if you're doing podcasting or blogs per se. And the way that this works is that you have to get monetized first and foremost through YouTube, which means getting 1,000 subscribers to your channel plus 4,000 hours of watch time. That alone is a great accomplishment if and when you get there. Some people are going to hit this way sooner than other people. For example, if you're already a really big speaker and you already have a big audience on a different platform or through your network, whatever it is, and then all those people come over, you can obviously hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time really fast. Could take you a couple of days. It could take you a couple of years. If you're starting at ground zero, it's obviously going to take you a lot more time, but you have to get monetized in order to reap the rewards of AdSense. The way this works is that basically people run ads. If someone clicks on the ad to buy whatever product that ad is selling, you get a small percentage of the money from that ad because someone clicked on it. The thing about AdSense is that I would consider it to be a great little side income, but I wouldn't rely on it. People can have like 100,000 views and then they only made like $50. So it's not really the best way to make money like the other ways I'm going to share with you, but it is cool just to make extra money. It's kind of just an additional side income stream. You know, some people do make a full-time income just from AdSense. They could be making $30,000 per month. So it is possible. It is a way to make money, and you really don't even have to do anything except for focus on building your audience to get to at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Number 5 is Patreon. This is where people basically just pay you money through your Patreon account in order for you to just keep creating content, keep giving them content. People make a full-time income just by using Patreon. Personally, I've never ran a Patreon account, but I have friends who have, and I've watched plenty of videos to consider if it was an option for me. It just doesn't seem fitting for me to offer that just based on the business model that I run, but it is an option depending on what you create, what kind of content you create, what your audience is like, the relationship you have with them. According to influencemarketinghub.com, Patreon takes 5 to 12% of your earnings, depending on the plan that you pick. Then there is an additional payment or processing fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents for donations over $3. I'm making like no money, basically. They can get your content for free, or they can decide if they want to just throw you a couple extra bucks. Okay, so it's not really a whole lot for them because they could just consume that content totally free. I don't know how much people have charged on Patreon. You can look into it, but it is an option for you to create content, even if it's just something coupled with your AdSense money that you make. Fourth way that you can make money as a creator is through sponsorships. This is really, really popular. Basically, you just get paid to promote brands that you already use and love. For example, when a creator says like, this video is sponsored by squarespace.com, they probably use Squarespace themselves to host their website and they love the product. So it just makes sense for them, and it makes sense to offer their audience because it's something that their audience would find valuable. According to Statista.com, sponsorships have slowly been increasing yearly and rose to $62.7 billion in 2017. Why? It makes a lot of sense for these companies to partner up with creators and influencers because they already have a big audience that's going to benefit from the product, and it's a lot cheaper for them than running advertisements. Basically, what you want to do is start creating content and showcasing products you enjoy and that you feel would be beneficial to your audience. And then what you want to do is just reach out to these companies. If it was like Lululemon and you did yoga tutorials or yoga classes online, and then you talk about Lululemon, then you have an audience built of like, let's say 10,000 subscribers or even 1,000 subscribers. Then you reach out to Lululemon or one of these companies and you can try and negotiate them paying you a monthly payout or per sale that you send over to them, promoting their products to your audience. The bigger your audience, the more money and opportunity you're going to have. If you have a massive audience, these companies are going to be like, heck yeah, we'll pay you monthly, we'll pay you this, we'll pay you per sale, whatever it is. Be passionate about the product. I think that's how you're going to win in doing sponsorships, and then reaching out, showing that you have value because you have eyeballs that are interested in their product. It's a I win, you win kind of scenario for these companies and for you. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. This is super, super big. People feel like it's kind of spammy or salesy or something like that, but affiliate marketing is not. It's not like an MLM, which is multi-level marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially the same thing as sponsorships, but you're just getting paid to promote products that you already use and love. And then you just have to let people know that it's an affiliate link or that it's a sponsorship, so they know where their money's going. You can choose to do a physical products or digital products. So a lot of people, they do like home office videos, which I love to watch. And I watched a ton when I was setting up my office space. They have all the different links to Amazon, which are affiliate links, by the way. They click on the link, it goes over, they end up paying, $100 or whatever it is for the product. And then a small percentage of that money goes over to the creator. If you're going to do affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend to focus on digital products more, and specifically software. Software typically have recurring revenue. They create recurring revenue for you. For example, I use Kajabi. It makes sense for me to promote Kajabi because I love Kajabi, and it's more financially beneficial for me when people sign up than doing like Amazon links, because Amazon links, depending on what the product is, if it's directly from Amazon, they're going to have your payout be like 2% up to 5% or maybe 12% or something like that. If you're a Kajabi partner and in the Kajabi partner program, you get like 30%. Okay. So it kind of ranges the percentage that you get paid per sale, typically between 5 to 30%. As your audience grows, you get a lot of views and things like that. You can end up making a ton of money. People, their full-time thing is just affiliate marketing. Number 2 is to focus on coaching, consulting, or freelance. This is where you're offering a service to your audience. They find you on YouTube or with your podcast or your blog. You have a lead magnet, or you just offer your coaching straight up inside your content and give them a way to reach out to you, whether it's like a Calendly or Acuity link. They can just reach out and then you can hop onto a phone call. You can make some really big money even with a small audience. As long as people can find you, which they're already doing with YouTube or with your podcast or blog, and they can build a relationship with you from that free content, then they see that you're offering like one-on-one coaching. They're like, holy crap, like I could hire this person. And then you can get on a phone call, have like a 5 or 10K coaching package, or even just $1,500 or $1,000 per month to work with you personally, to support them. This is a huge part of my own business is I do this. I do my one-on-one coaching, and then I have digital products and other things that I sell as well. The content really helps you get discovered by and to build trust with your ideal audience. And then you offer the private coaching packages or high-end coaching through your website on the back end of your content. That is a great way for you to make money. I'd recommend that if you teach things online, if really anything, as long as you can work with someone and turn the knowledge into a package where you actually work with people, focus on this. Okay. And a pro tip right here, after somebody opts in, gives you their email email address, make it so that they get sent to a page that offers to book a free coaching call with you. So it says like, thanks for signing up. Here's an additional thank you. I want to give you a free coaching call with me or a free consultation, whatever it is. From there, they can click on the link, book a call with you, use like Calendly, which is free. They have paid plans, but you can do it for free. Once you get on the call, you can just serve this person powerfully. And at the end, make sure that you offer them the opportunity to work with you longer term. And that's where you start to offer your coaching package or to work with you privately. Number one is to offer online courses, digital products, but specifically online courses. Online courses are much more scalable than coaching. You can really grow your income without hindering your resources like time or money as well. That's scalability. Online courses allow us to do that. If you have coaching that you offer people, you can turn that coaching package into an online course. And again, I have lessons and videos where I talk about how to do all of this. Your online courses can make sales for you even when you're not working. This is what I teach you inside of my 5-step action guide on how to earn your first $500 per month of passive income. I give you the exact roadmap on how to make that happen with action steps. So if you haven't, again, pick it up. profityourknowledge.com/guide. It is my gift to you. It is legitimately free, and you can use this even if you don't know what your business idea is right now, or if you don't think you're a world-class expert, because you're an expert in my heart, okay? As long as you got a passion for helping people and sharing your knowledge with the world, you can do this. You just need to know how. But with online courses, you can charge a heck of a lot more than with other digital products, like an ebook, for example. If you had an ebook that went over the same exact content as an online course, you could still charge more money for the same content packaged in an online course than the ebook, because an online course will be shot in high quality video with just your smartphone, which is crazy. You can add worksheets and templates and other resources on top of the video content, which is like me teaching you directly. And that's why you're going to be able to make a lot more money with an online course than with just an ebook, even if it was the same exact content. So if you have an ebook and you're selling it for like $9 or $10 or 15 or even $20, you could probably be making at least $100 to $500 with that same content just packaged inside of an online course. So same content, it's more valuable. And because of that, that equals more money that you can charge, because an online course can help someone get better results and have a better experience than an ebook alone. And the best thing about online courses is that they can be automated. Again, that's what's inside the 5-step guide. Please leave a comment down below if this was valuable for you. Give me a like. I really appreciate it. If you really like this, you want to learn more about building your own online business, turning the things that you know, that you're passionate about, that you're skillful at, the ideas that you have with the world into an online income stream or multiple online income streams, hit subscribe, check out the 5-step action guide. That's all I got for you. Take what you learned here, get out there, start making money as a creator, because really you just need to focus on one of these, double down on it, and take advantage of this awesome opportunity that we have in the world today. And it's just growing more and more year after year. Hope you have a great day. I will see you in the next one.